Yeah. So this is my take on people who like to watch a lot of serious things on television and shows and prefer to watch dark content. I think if something tragic is really happening to you, you wouldn't prefer that, right? So all these people, they have never anything tragic happened to them, so they want to see that on TV, and that is what they are seeking out. So this is basically a privileged class, or a class of people who are lucky, people who are not that lucky, people who have tragic things happen to them, have been through a lot of traumatic things. I would say they, when they turn towards television, when they turn towards internet, they would prefer to have a ray of hope uh, to see on these platforms, and they prefer to have things which would give them that, okay, fine, things are going to get better, things are going, so this is what my life is. But other people don't have this kind of life, so there are so many better things out there for me, so I can make my life like this, I can work towards making my life like that. And let me tell you, when especially when you are going through those periods where there are difficult things happening to you, you want a lot of uh, positivity to come towards, and you want to seek out television and internet to for all those positive things. So even if it's the most serious things, even in comedy, I feel you should have a lot of positivity, and even if it is delusional positivity, at least you will go towards the positive. And I want to go go pe- to seek out people who are making content. Please make positive content. We want to see a reflection of reality in the content that you're making, and we want to get the conversation going. But let me tell you, when I go and seek art during those tragic times, and I think we are living in the most tragic hour that we can be living in, I feel that we should be making a lot of positive content. And if manifesting is true, don't you want to manifest all those beautiful realities? I mean, come on. And I just want to laugh on the people who say that I love dark content. Let me tell you, friend, if something remotely dark has ever happened to you, you wouldn't seek that. And until unless it does traumatize you to that extent that, oh, you don't understand that, you have to work towards a better future, and for that you have to see that better future at least around you, or in the books that you're reading, or on the television that you're watching, or on the internet that you're browsing 24/7, or on Instagram that you're spending 3 4 hours on. So I really, this is my open letter to all the platforms that make content, that please make a lot of beautiful positive content. So that is what we are manifesting, because all these people who are watching this dark content are privileged, if not privileged, immensely lucky, that bad things haven't happened to them, that tragic, dark things haven't happened to them, and I wish they never happened to you. And I wish that you only watch them on television. But if, my friend, if that ever happens to you, you would like to go on television, and some every other day you want to see a reflection of reality, but most of the days you want to see a ray of hope. You want to visualize what your tomorrow will look like, and when you're going through a tragic hour, let me tell you, you don't want your tomorrow to look like the present. So it is okay to see a sense, a very tragic, dark thing every now and then on television. On news is there to reflect exactly what is happening to you, so go towards news, and that is their problem. But I feel when it comes to fiction, when it comes to content, when it comes to stories, I feel, please make a beautiful, positive, immensely happy, immensely joyful content. Because people who really need content, and people, I feel it is your duty not to serve someone with a reality check. I feel it is your duty, if you're making something, don't you want to make something beautiful? Don't you? Because I think if you serve these people who are going through those tragic hours, who are going through the most confused period of their time, the most tragic, the most saddest periods of their life, then don't you want to make content for these people, then for the people who are having, for them the life is going good, and they just haven't felt an intense emotion in a while, so they go towards television and they go towards reality shows to seek those intense emotion. But when life has already given you the toughest time, don't you want to serve these people who have gone through the most toughest times, as artists, as directors, as content creators, as musicians? Don't you want to give hope to these people who have gone through some toughest shit? And I think the best way is to create the most beautiful, positive song that's ever written, movie that's ever made, the most hopeful piece of reel that's ever made. Yeah, so even if you're making content for like 10 seconds, I truly urge you that please make positive piece of content, so that when I'm going through something very tough, when sometimes I'm going through something very dark, when I'm going through something, because that is how I have survived. When I've gone through a lot of shit and I don't want to put that on internet, but authors, content creators, movie makers, filmmakers, I don't, I may not have had the best people in my life, like physically, but these people who are making these content, who are making these rom-coms, who are making this stupidly, delusionally positive things, I continuously seeked out such type of content, and that is how I survived. So I want to write a love letter and an open letter to the people who create dark content and to the people who create immensely positive content. Please, everybody out there, please try to create as much as immensely positive content, because that is how I have survived some of my darkest days. And so I feel even if someone stuck in the loop of darkness is again seeking out darkness on these platforms, there should be so much positivity that you only see the positive, and then those people don't have any option, because then to see those stupidly romantic comedy and find a hope somewhere there. So I feel there is so much of dark content nowadays, and I hope to have a lot of positive content. So I wanted to put out a ranting video, and I don't think any video would have been better than this rant. So yeah, I'll be definitely putting this on the internet. See you in the next rant. Bye.